everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 4.1 magnitude felt in Mexico. Depth of this earthquake is 15 km and this earthquake occurred on March 15, 2022. Local time is 3:36 am. Nearby towns and cities is 63 km south and west of La Manga, 73 km east and north of Santa. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: clear sky, 17.7 degrees centigrade, humidity is 76% and wind is 7 meters per second from north and west. Estimated release energy from this quake is 24.8 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 21.3 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.